Hi everyone, it's Ashley. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, thanks for stopping by and make sure to subscribe before you go. If you haven't already, check out part 1 and part 2 of the Valentine's Day look series. This is part 3. I hope you like it. If you want to see how I got this look, just keep watching. We're going to start off by priming our eyelids with the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. I'm going to set the concealer with this shade in the Morphe 350M palette. Then I'm going to use this shade for the transition color. Next, I'm going to dip into this shade, putting that more in the crease. Now I'm going to dip back into the transition shade and try to blend that together. Next, I'm going to use this black-brown color. I'm going to keep this shade really close to the crease, and I'm going to make it so that it V's out at the outer edge. Dip back into that transition shade again and make sure to blend everything out. Because these are such dark colors, I don't want it to get too intense. And then I'm going to dip back into the darkest shade and deepen the crease. Although I'm going to be putting red glitter on the lid, I want to add a darker color underneath just so it has a good base. So I'm going to use Red Ochre from the Modern Renaissance palette, and I'm going to pack that all on the lid. This look would look really good with a black as your darkest color, but because I'm so fair skinned, I didn't want to use anything too intense. I normally stray away from black eyeshadow. Then I'm going to deepen the crease again with that darkest shade. This look does have a lot of fallout, so I recommend doing your face last. For the glitter today, I'm going to be using the NYX Glitter Primer to use as a base, and then for the glitter, I actually got these 3 NYX colors. There's a gold, a copper, and a red, which is going to be really pretty. So first I'm going to apply the primer with a little brush and let it sit for a few seconds, and then I'm going to put the glitter on top. And then I'm going to pack on the glitter. I'm trying to keep the glitter more focused to the inner corner and up into the center of the eye and leaving this part blank. Then I'm going to do the same thing over on this eye. I'm going to go back in with that darkest shade and deepen up the crease again. Now I'm going to take a makeup wipe and clean up all of the fallout. Because I don't want to knock a ton of the glitter off, I'm not going to end up adding a wing liner, but I will use that darkest shade and put it on my lash line and then try to smoke it out as much as I can. And I'm going to wipe off the excess again, just to make sure our face is as clean as it can be. Then I'm going to go ahead and tightline with my black eyeliner. I'm going to go ahead and add mascara and falsies, and then I'm going to finish my face and I'll be right back. I hope you all love the final product. This was by far my favorite Valentine's look to film. It's just a little bit different than what I would normally do, but it's definitely worth it. If you guys like it, let me know in the comments. Also, follow me on my social media platforms and let me know how you like it on there as well, because I'll be posting pictures. If you guys want to see more videos, stay tuned because there will be more videos coming every week, multiple times a week, so get ready for it. If you have any suggestions as to what you want to see, leave comments below and make sure to subscribe before you leave. Thanks. Bye.